Parksan var işte. We are going to go with Kirti to get some stuff. I don't know how to close the video. You do some like cool stuff and say something.
Let's go.
Yes. No, you come a little bit back. Come. Sorry. Go a little bit more. Go. Is it open already?
Next month.
Next month.
First week.
First week, March.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Can I check around a little bit?
Yes.
Thank you. Hadi çekil. Kirti. Çekil. Bas. We have shit to do. Come on.
Call room asala.
Tempo. Fuck, it start rain.
Let's go.
No good. You will say with the energy, let's go. Okay, this is your thing now. Say it. 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Yes! We have the shops. Always about decoration and everything. So we are checking what they have. So many plastic around. But I like the smell. Demir eksikliği. Oh, look at the carpets. Go to carpet, chicken. These carpets, man. I had this one we are getting. Show me. Yes. We're trying this. But you do a little bit discount, yeah? Yes? Yes, you can do it. You can do it. I see it in your eyes. Always paying the bill.
දෙකටම 10ක් ගන්න.
ඉතින් බකල් වල දැන් මොකද නැහැ ෆයිවට් බලන්න අපි මොනවද කියන්නේ? හා 120 ෆයිවට් බලන්න. මේ 100 වෙන්න බැරි.
He knows Sinhala. I'm hungry. Little bit. Where are we going, Kirti?
We are going Gold Port. Inside the Gold Port, Dutch port, this Dutch colony. We were in Dutch colony. We're gonna go into eat. Let's go. Cut the video.
Is this a dream?
Ya parksan var işte. This is Gold Fort, how it looks like, and it's almost. Don't make war, bro. And Kirti is coming. Öne de şahlanıyor aman. Roy 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 roy.
Yine de şahlanıyor aman.
Food is here. Cha cha cha. Haydi cheers.
This is the QR code. Quota.
Yes.
I'm not allowed to get more than like 20 liters for 1 week.
So this is the situation because Sri Lanka in crisis right now, and they cannot get petrol as much as they want. So they have this QR code. So they have limitation, but they found ways. You know what I'm saying? And we are so tired going back to hostel.
I am finally back and I'm with these guys who've been running around doing a whole bunch of copyright.
Close it, close it, close it.
Yes, let me see you people. We have a plan and we're getting everything done. And the best part is we're getting food. is the carpet. It's not the right one. I have no idea what we're looking for, what we're doing, what they're searching for. So you guys are just as surprised as I am.
It's a no for me.
It's a no. Failed mission. Hi, I'm in Sri Lanka doing this. Like, who? Why? But you have another place to go, yeah?
Like painting, and this is not carpet.
the floor.
No, we just wanna cover the floor.
Before you say, okay, we paint.
No, we put the carpet after paint.
Why?
We paint and put the carpet.
She's not satisfied.
No.
So let's listen. You ask me, you shall receive. Okay, abundance. What do you want, Kanji? I want a rain. I like the rain, but I need umbrella. You don't have umbrella, just wait. You sit and you wait. And stop playing. Stop playing. Royalty, baby. Royalty. Yes. Did somebody order an umbrella?
Yes, we ordered an
We
umbrella.
did.
Yeah. Oh my, thank you. Princess vibes, you know. Yes. Royalty.
Royalty, baby.
What's that?
What did you eat? Fish?
Okay.
Wow.
Going on. Is it going 1, 2, 3?
Yes. Oh.
How are you? Again.
Hello.
It's not ending. It's not ending. We couldn't finish. Huh? One outside, one inside.
You sure?
Böyle tulips, like wall is like this.
Entertaining everybody.
I'm not sure. You give 2 liters, yeah?
He was at the hostel.
Because if I can't.
No.
You know,
Yes, yes, the connections he came from. Y'all remember this guy? Really? We had him, yeah. Yes, he was the first one to watch our video.
Oh, that one, sorry.
1, 2, 3, boom. How? Do it. Fire! Ah! Sorry, this is all.
No, I want say it all. It makes
I explain very
Yeah.
hard.
No,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
want
go.
Good.
So, you need to. Bah!
Yeah. Okay. Be careful.
When you. In friendships, you did it.
In friendship, we did it.
Yeah.
Diego was in her what?
I'm in my element.
Yeah, she's an
It's my
interior
friend, because I
director.
came here how many times I paid? 100 times. I came here, right? Every day. I'm here. So to say we're friends.
Yes? Are you friends or she thinks you're friends in her head?
She's what?
I said, does she think you're her friend or do you just think she's her friend in your head? Yeah. It's all in her head. So just so y'all know, I am here and this is what I'm doing. I'm here for more support, okay? Rolling and all of that stuff, you know, I love her. But, you know, I ain't doing nothing. And I'm here to get you. Purpose. You guys are in your purpose. You're making this rooftop something. It's gonna be big, you know, like the owner, he has his thing and she has her doing her side, and you know, it's gonna be amazing, right? And when the party, you guys are gonna be looking around, I'm gonna be doing this, right? I'm gonna be doing, and I'm gonna be getting your eyes, your reaction, and what you gonna say? Yeah, it was worth it. It was worth it. It was worth it.
Tinerciler için. We have people who like tiner. They like Bali actually.
Really?
Bali.
Yes.
We are going, we are hungry.
Yes.
We are here 40. How many minutes we are here? 40.
40 minutes we've been here just now?
I don't know.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Green, we like green. Who is gonna carry this? Not me.
Me.
This guy. Yes.
Okay, I can carry this one for you.
What is happening? She is teaching him how to hold the box to carry it to the car because she does not want to carry. Neither do I. I mean, I'm recording, so I cannot. I have him with the curve because I want to get the curve.
No, not take more.
So happy?
Now we are going to eat. And look at food, ladies and gentlemen, today what's happening? Which one was it?
And it's on this nice bread. It was avocado, cheese, tomato, like onions, I think maybe. So good. I don't know what that was.
Tell him. He knows. He knows.
Yesterday I came and I ordered a sandwich and it had avocado, tomato, cheese, onions.
Save us, please.
It was avocado, cheese, onions, or something like that. Sandwich bread. I don't know which one it is.
I want to just help you, man.
I know, but like
I don't want to understand anything.
you are asking to understand. I want to ask him what you choose black pillow. What I'm gonna do? Like I'm gonna like give a speech to you. Why?
We're at the restaurant and they're still talking about
Why I put that? So I'm doing the project. You don't have to understand. At the end, you will like it. So please don't expect me to explain more. Okay? I'm using my energy in another way. Thank you so much for understanding. Love you, kids. We are doing very nice. See you on the party.
Pa, 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 pa.